Good morning, friends. Today's article is energy level sodium. What do you mean by energy level of sodium? This is the diagram of energy level sodium. We have to describe in briefly. In energy level diagram, the vertical axis, this axis, the vertical axis is an energy axis, and the energy levels or terms are shown in horizontal line. This is horizontal lines. And this shows as term S, P, D, F and so on. These are the terms as shown in horizontal lines. The difference between any two levels gives directly the frequency of the radiation in wave numbers per centimeter. The difference between any two levels, which level? This level. Any two levels gives directly the frequency of radiation. This is the frequency of radiation in wave numbers. These are the numbers in per centimeter. In atomic spectroscopy, the energy levels in the atom are described with special names, that is terms. These are the terms. The energy value can be easily derived from the term value, and also the represented by terms is much simpler. The zero of the energy is drawn at the top, this side. The zero of the energy is drawn at the top of figure, and other states below goes to infinity. This transaction goes to infinity. This is 3s, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p and so on to infinity. Sodium has 11 neutrons. This is the spectra of sodium or energy levels of sodium. Sodium has 11 electrons, that is Z is equal to 11. This is the atomic number of sodium. The electron configuration of normal sodium atom is represented by what is by electronics configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. 6 plus 4 10 and 1 11. This is the electronics configuration. Okay. K and L cells are completely filled because of first 1s2 goes to K cell and 2p6 goes to L cell. These two cells are completely filled. The last level 3s is partially filled because of only one electron. The electron in this level plays a part of optical spectrum. These electrons create optical spectrum because of only one electron. The optical 3s electron of sodium atom, when excited, jumps to higher excited state. Which state? 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 5d and so on. How to jump this electron as shown in this figure. Then 3p, this is 3p. Electron jumps from 4s, this is 4s. This electron jumps from which level? 4s jumps from 3p level. Then 3d level, this is the 3d level. When electron jumps 4p, this is the 4p electron. This electron jumps to 3d. Then 5s, this is 5s electron jumps to 4d. Okay. same as other electrons. The electron returns to ground state. This electron returns to ground state. 4s jumps to 3p, 3d jumps to 3p, 4p jumps to 3d, and so on. Rise to spectral series depending of L values. Small L means what? Which number? Orbital quantum number. The level are termed as S, P, D, F, G, and so on. There is only one unpaired electron. The spin is S is equal to only half. The spin is half, and multiplicity factor are, how to calculate multiplicity factor? Formula is 2s plus 1. What is the value of s? 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 to get cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2. The multiplicity factor is 2. The normal or ground state 3,2s of sodium arises the electron configuration 1s2, same electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s1. The stationary states are designated 3 to P, 3 to D. P means 1, D means 2. The energy levels goes increasing. All substrate belonging to give N means principal quantum number in sodium have not same values of energy because of nuclear charge and penetration of atomic core. Okay, the L values dependence of energy is very important to the extent that 4s level lines lower than 3d orbit of the same orbit. Similarly, 5s lines lower than 4d and 4f because of electron jumps to ground state. The electron configuration of each level is given by excited electrons only. This is the energy level of sodium.